Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best skincare products on the market. Today, we will be discussing the Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer. The Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer is considered the best tinted sunscreen for mature skin available in the market. This unique formula provides UVA and UVB protection, along with antioxidant benefits to protect your skin from environmental and sun damage. This tinted moisturizer with sunscreen is specifically formulated for oily and combination skin. It helps to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, and provide a silky matte finish. The mineral sunscreen is fragrance-free and paraben-free. The formula contains resveratrol, willow bark extract, and zinc oxide. Resveratrol helps to repair and renew sun-damaged skin, while willow bark extract provides antioxidant benefits. Zinc oxide provides broad-spectrum sun protection with an SPF of 30. The Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer hydrates, firms, and protects the skin. It evens out skin tone, provides a matte finish, and works as a great base for makeup or can be worn alone. In conclusion, the Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer is a must-have for mature skin. Its unique formula provides excellent sun protection, antioxidant benefits, and a matte finish. To experience the benefits of this tinted sunscreen, be sure to try it out for yourself. That's all for today on Product Critique. Thank you for watching.